What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is track day. Super excited. So we got the ZX-10R in tow. Not sure if you guys can see it back there. Let's switch up the camera view. Got the ZX-10R in tow. We got a big turnout today, about 10 or 12 of us. So we got a couple garages rented. When we get to the track, I'll give you guys a walk around of my new Kendon trailer, my motorcycle trailer, and some of the things I bring on track with me. So come along, it's gonna be a really fun day. We got Aurora Poppy with the Cookie Monster on the back of the Gladiator. I want to grow up to be cool like this guy. At the pit, getting the bike set up, just lubed the chain on the ZX-10R. We got Carbon Lodi lubing up the R1M. He loves his lubrication, we know that. Yeah, buddy. We got Mike with the 899 Ducati, and we're about to head to the riders meeting right now, but here's the pit real quick. S1000RR Ducati. Here's my setup over here. And then I'll give you guys a quick walk around of the truck and the Kendon trailer in a second after riders meeting. Alright guys, walking up to the Kendon trailer, I'll give you guys a quick walk around of the setup. So a few things I bring for track day. 100% of the Kendon trailer just makes it easy getting the bike on and off. So a quick walk around. So you can see it has a super low deck. It's only about maybe 10 inches off the ground, so you don't need to power on the bike to get the bike up. Just goes up on top of these ramps onto the chalk and easy to tie down. I got this for a screaming deal on Facebook Marketplace. These things go for about 4,000 plus. You're about 4,500, close to 5,000 after taxes. But I got this for $1,000 out the door. So super happy to find this on Facebook. My buddy Josh actually just got a Kendon himself right over here. He's towing it with his little Honda. But you can see it's pretty similar. His is a 2006, mine's a 2022, so it's a slightly newer model, but exact same setup. So this can carry about three dirt bikes. It can carry 2 full-size sport bikes, no problem. I was a little concerned about this mesh flooring, but the kickstand sets down on it, no issue, and I have no problems with it. I just recently swapped out these LED lights over here. I got some new custom plates on the way, stay tuned for that. And I just absolutely love this trailer. If you can find one locally, on Facebook Marketplace, they go on sale every once in a while, but they go fast, so try to jump on it. A few other things: I got my Badlands jack to jack up the truck or trailer if I need to change a tire. Got some VP gas cans, got my Rotopax gas cans, and then my ramp. This is a Black Widow ramp. This does not come with the trailer, but it's about $200. It just makes for an easy flat surface to roll the bike up and down, never have to change your feet position too much. And we got the wrap rear, of course, towing just fine. We got the springs underneath with the airbags, so you can see the truck is not squatting, and really happy with the setup. Alright guys, that's a quick walk around of my setup. You can see the pit over here, and we'll go ahead and get track day started. Just a quick walk around of the bikes now that they're all pitted up and lined up in the garage. We got a Yamaha R3 in this matte black, pretty sick. This is the first time he's doing the track. He's got his Insta360 all set up here, ready to go. It's gonna have an awesome time, that's for sure. I got my ZX-10R. We got it on the pit bull stands, all taped up. Pulled the fuses, so there's no lights, no brake lights, no blinkers. We got a Ducati 899 here that used to belong to Josh and Don. Now it belongs to Mike. S1000RR carbon fiber. Look at that. That's super clean. R7, always a fun bike. We got Don here, who's got the V4S, all gold out. Man, look at that beautiful bike. And then we got the R1M. This is Josh's R1M here. Super clean. We got another Ducati over here, V4S. Belongs to Nori. And then we got the Cookie Monster out here somewhere. There it is. We got Jericho's Cookie Monster over here. This has been down a couple of times. Looks a little rough, but still running strong. These are just battle scars. do a session. It's our second session of the day. The sun finally made it out. Got done with about 4 sessions on the track. It's lunchtime now. Did some work. Lunchtime. How's the track going for you?
This was better than the first lap or session.
It's been a year, right, since you've been back?
8-9 months.
8-9 months.
Damn, but it feels good.
Yes, sir. How's the Cookie Monster running today?
Oh, it's fabulous.
Yeah?
Man, I feel sexy on
All right, so these guys got sinigang. Big Mike made the big pot of sinigang. Got some rice here.
Honey, for the guys.
No, about to run out. Sino ba may dala nito? Sigo yun, Jericho.
All right, so Jericho's bike is out of commission for the rest of the day. His fork seals are leaking, and he went off-road.
About the turn 30.
Got done with second to the last session. It's been a good day so far. Let's see if we can take a look at what we've done. I think we're going to do one last one, which is the 4 o'clock run, and then we're going to call it a day. But awesome track day today. Thanks for coming along, and I'll catch you guys in a future video.
Every day we celebrate, we don't need a reason. Every day is like Mother's Day.